Casa Yuri is a home conceived with full creative freedom to reinterpret the vernacular of Zihuatanejo, Mexico, in a bold, contemporary language deeply rooted in the landscape. A large palapa, shaped like a straw dome, palm trees, concrete, wood, and steel come together to create an element that feels like a portal to the sea. This palapa spans more than 17 meters in diameter, rising over 11 meters at its lowest point. The steep topography of the 2,200 square meter oceanfront site allowed Zozaya Arquitectos to explore sweeping views of the Pacific. The house appears to emerge from the cliffside, rising between sky, stone, vegetation, and water. The palapa structure reinforced concrete columns, palm wood, steel, and tension cables withstands coastal storms, enduring salt, wind, and harsh weather conditions. Nature is present at every step. Landscaping with native flowering plants, green roofs that soften the visual impact, and preserved vegetation at the edges. The house does not impose itself, it harmonizes. A sculptural staircase climbs dramatically to the top, revealing the horizon, the blue of the ocean, and the wind. At this high point lies the open-air vestibule, connecting the private quarters with the heart of the house, the massive palapa. On the main level, 3 guest suites are aligned along the southern side of the house, connected by a covered portico shaded by the upper deck. This corridor, facing the Pacific, is one of the most contemplative spaces: filtered light, moving shadows, passing breezes. The edges of the house, deep overhangs, elevated roofs, and pool cantilevers all help keep the home cool. Cross ventilation, thick walls, and projected shade maintain comfort without losing the view. The materials speak for themselves. A palapa roof covered with palm thatch, wooden ceilings, handcrafted Perota wood carpentry, river stones used in floors and finishes, IP wood decks, Chukum-style plasters, and bush-hammered Vermont beige marble featured throughout many floors and bathrooms, chosen for its beauty and non-slip qualities, especially useful with children. Beneath the palapa, everything unfolds. The main dining area, a bar, a grill, a secondary dining space, the main lounge, shaded sunbeds, terraces, and a pool that seems to float in midair, suspended on concrete cantilevers. On the upper level, there are additional suites with a shared terrace and a steel pergola that seems to hover in the air, supported by beams that span the entire bedroom volume. A playroom, a garden with a grill, and a second pool designed for children complete this elevated floor. Descending another open staircase to the lower level, closer to the sea, are the study, the gym, the sauna, and the main suite. The sound of waves crashing against the cliffs becomes part of daily life, of living, of looking out. The house offers this dialogue between human life and the natural world. A wastewater treatment system recycles water for irrigation, reducing waste and reinforcing the idea of responsible luxury. The atmosphere is one of quiet grandeur. The weight of the structure softens with the lightness of the wind, the rusticity of wood and stone contrasts with the elegance of the ocean horizon. Golden light at sunset, reflections on the pool water, shadows on the cliffs, and the murmur of the waves create a spatial and emotional rhythm. Casa Yuri combines structural boldness, material beauty, and landscape presence, an architecture that celebrates not only space, but also place.